Hello students, in this video we are going to discuss CBSE class 9 Maths chapter 7 triangles, the second example under the SAS congruency concept. So we've already learnt about the SAS congruency where we saw that the two sides and the included angle in between the two sides, if they are going to be equal for two triangles, then we can say that those two triangles are said to be congruent. Okay, so two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included of one triangle are equal to the two sides and the included angle of the other triangle. So with this we are going to solve the second example. The second example, we are given that AB is a line segment. So AB is a line segment and line L is its perpendicular bisector. Okay, so they are giving that it is going to be perpendicular and it is going to bisect this line into two. That means these two sides are going to be equal, and a point P is going to lie on this line L such that from A and B it is going to be at equidistant. So this is what we need to prove. So we need to prove that this point P is equidistant from A and B. So what is given to us? We are given that this side and this side are equal. So let me mark this as C. So we are given that AC is equal to BC since L is going to be a perpendicular bisector. Okay, and what we need to prove? We need to prove that AP is equal to PB. Okay, so this is what we need to prove. Now we already know AC is equal to BC, and we also know it is a perpendicular bisector, which means angle PCA is equal to angle PCB. Is it clear, children? Angle PCA is equal to angle PCB. And we have another thing. If you are going to consider these two triangles, PAC, that is PCA and PCB. Okay, so if this is going to be PCA and if this is going to be PCB, we already know that AC and BC are equal, and we know that these two angles are equal, and we can see that PC is common. Okay, so PC is going to be what? PC is going to be common. That means PC is equal to PC. So here what do we see now? We see side, angle, side. Okay, side, angle, side means what? We can say that these two triangles are congruent. Is it clear, children? So we can say that triangle PCA is going to be congruent to triangle PCB. If these both are congruent, then we can very well say PA is equal to PB. So therefore we can say PA is equal to PB, hence proved. Is it clear, children? So this is going to be a very simple concept, but the main thing you need to remember is you need to know what is a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means it is going to have 90 degree, and bisector means this perpendicular line which is going to be drawn, it is going to divide the line into two equal halves. Okay, main thing you need to remember is perpendicular bisector. So for this line AB, okay, a perpendicular bisector can be like this. Okay, so when we can mark this as C, we can say AC is equal to CB. So this is line L. From here only they are marking a point P, and they are asking us to show that PA is equal to PB. Okay, so in that case we are checking for the congruency. We are able to say that these two angles are equal, that is 90 degree. These two sides, the side is going to be common. So finally we are able to see that these two sides are also equal. Is it clear, children? So thus we have completed the second example, and the next thing which we need to see is the next congruency rule, which will be the ASA congruency rule. We saw about SAS. The next one is going to be the ASA congruency rule, which we'll be seeing in the next video. We'll look at the concept in the next video, children. See you again in the next video. Thank you, children.